Ratu. Hi, I'm Keely. And more arts at our Winton School. Call Jacob home. I'm Jacob. He's Jacob. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 10th of April. Today is Ratu, which means Tuesday. Right on to kupu o te wiki. This week's word is te angara. It means excellent. On to health and safety news. The clear sky, the UV forecast for today is low. Stay warm, Winton School. Oh no! Wait, we're hit. Incoming, guys. Thanks. On to today's notices. All Year 6 students to meet in room 11 at morning tea for our last camp meeting. Year 1 to 3 Kapa Haka today at 11 a.m. in the hall. From Wednesday till Friday, no one, I repeat, no one is allowed across the field. Can we have
congratulations to our team of ambassadors who were selected as our classroom representatives for 2018 Winton School ambassadors. You all have a very important role to play in connecting Winton School to the community. We are looking forward to a great year ahead with you all. Our 2018 Winton School classroom ambassadors are Jessica Irwin, Sierra Breen, Lexi Grove, Maya Short, Kenny Hart, Mason Maguire, Hannah Price, Alex Hart, Richard Maguire Adama, Shayla Payne, and our leaders for 2018, Sarah Beck and Casey McMaster.
from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.